Kling 3 is coming out and it might kill Runway, Sora 2 and Van and every single video model out there. And in this video I am going to show you everything we know about the upcoming release of Kling 3, and it is set to be released this week. So in this video I am going to show you every single leak we have about this new upcoming release of Kling 3, which is said to be the best video model. Big thanks to the Higgsfield AI which have make this possible, and also it have given us some of the rumors, not rumors, it have confirmed some of the things that are gonna be in Kling 3. So Kling 3 will have a cleaner realism, smoother motion and strong shot-to-shot coherence, aiming for output that are production ready and can directly go to the ads without even editing any of the content. And biggest thing of the Kling 3 is that Kling 3 Omni is described to pushing towards a more unified experience, means better context, better continuity and smarter decision making overall the model. And also the big theme of the discussions over Reddit, X, and on the blog of Higgsfield, it is said to be 4K and 60 FPS. This is the first time any video model will be able to make 4K and 60 FPS videos, which is a clear step up from the current 1080p of Kling 2.6. And also a better point is that Kling 2.6 was able to make videos of 1080p and up to only 10 seconds, but Kling 3.0 is said to be pushing the clip length to 15 seconds while keeping the character consistent, and also the macro shots with crispy details. The shots will have more clarity, more close-up shots, and the quality will be awesome. People's expectation for the Kling 3 model is that better physics, and that means that we want better movement like hands, and hugs and object handling and fewer melts and glitches. It will have more believable motion. Here is the side to side difference of Kling 2.6 and Kling 3, and everything that I said before this are the reflects of public signals, and it is not officially said, but the public have guessed. And I think that many of the features that I said are or will be in Kling 3.0. Here is a side-by-side comparison of Kling 2.6 and Kling 3.0, which are set to be released this week. Kling 2.6 is the latest available model and it supports AI video generation at up to 10 seconds, but in Kling 3.2 the AI video generation will be, or hope so, that it will be generated up to 15-second clip, and output is capped at 1080p. But in Kling 3.0, that is the biggest released, that output is capped at 4K and 60 fps. This will be a huge boom in the AI video industry. And Kling 2.6 have strong realism, but the motion consistency isn't that great and they can break in complex scenes. But in Kling 3.0 it is said to be the perfect, no, obviously not everything is perfect and everything cannot be perfect, but it is said to be much better in motion consistency. It is best suited in short clips, visual experiments and demo, but Kling 3.0 is said to be best suited for AI ads and all the things. So now we are at the original Higgsfield AI Reddit page, and here are the expectation that we can expect from Kling 3. Here is the biggest leak. Here it is written what to anticipate from Kling 3. So what we can expect from the Kling 3: there will be a 4K 60 FPS workflow. We have seen turbo and 180p modes, but the base model of 3 is said to be set to 4K and up to 60 FPS of video generation. The best feature of the Kling 3.0 is the canvas agent. It allows text-based editing, which means we don't have to regenerate the whole clip or re-edit the whole prompt. We can just tell it to change this part and it will just generate that 1 or 2 second clip. It will not generate all that 15-second clip, and will not eat up your whole credits. And the 2.6 model still melts up to complex designs, complex videos when characters touch. But 3.2 is rumored to use new physics engine to handle fighting scenes, hugging scenes, hanging on any kind of love. Let's read some of the comments of the Reddit page. And look at the third comment. Any words if Kling 3.0 will have end frame support, but we haven't got any kind of leaks with this specific request. But I really wish that Kling 3.0 should have an end frame support, because it gives us more customizations or more things that we can add. How the video will start, we can add how the video will end. That is the like, that is a good comment. No, I'm gonna up post it. And this comment, Link 3.0 extreme is extremely cold. It is extremely close, like maybe days or maybe 1 to 2 weeks, with more stronger expectation, with 15 seconds longer clips, with 4K 60 FPS, with more better realism and motion control and all these things. I can't wait to try Higgsfield. I can't wait to try new Kling 3.0 in Higgsfield. While we wait for the Kling 3.0, the Kling 2.6 is still the most good cinematic video model. So I will just show you how can you also generate video. So here you can upload the prompts, and here you can upload the image to video, and you can enable audio. The audio takes almost 10 credits, and duration you can do 5 second clip, or you can generate up to 10-second clips. And then aspect ratio, there are 3 aspect ratio. And yes, this is all. The 3.0 update is dropping any moment, so you must use the link in the description to sign up now and to get the access whenever it launches. It will launch is 1 to the expected date for launch is in 1 to 2 weeks, so don't miss this out.